Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your parking brake on your Yamaha Sport ATV. The parking brakes on these Sport ATVs are often overlooked. A lot of times these are out of adjustment, and then when somebody finally goes to make that adjustment, they only do one of two things that are actually necessary to get it working correctly. And this is actually really quick and simple to do. So if you want to get this thing working properly, we'll show you how to do it. Now, if you don't want to use this, we do sell the block-off plates to eliminate it. So if you're doing any kind of racing, that's going to get it out of the way and save a little bit of weight. Now, if you choose to adjust this, the process will be similar for all of the Yamaha Sport ATVs. Just make sure you refer to your model-specific service manual for more information and specs. Now, this machine we're doing it on, it's a 2014 YFZ450R. So let's go ahead and get this adjusted up. To do this job, you'll need a few different combo wrenches. For our machine, we're using a 12mm and 8mm. We have our digital calipers, but you can still make the measurement with a tape measure, just a little less accurate. And then we have the safety glasses. Now, these are the block-off plates I was talking about. We have several different options available on our website, including different colorways, so be sure to check that out. To do this job, you want to use a suitable jack to raise the machine off the ground, and that way you can rotate the rear wheels. Before we begin, we want to make sure that the parking brake lever is flipped to the off position. The first thing we need to do to get this parking brake working correctly is set the brake cable end length. So to do that, we're going to measure from the inside of this bracket, and then we have this parking brake adjustment arm right here. We're going to measure to the center of that right there. And the spec for our machine is 47 to 51 millimeters, but if you have a different machine, that measurement is probably going to be different. So we're at 55 millimeters. We need to bring this in just a little bit. So to do that, we have our cable adjustment on the right side of our machine. This adjustment can be in a couple different spots. It could be up by the handlebar, so just keep that in mind. So now we'll go up to that front adjustment point. We'll loosen the jam nut and tighten this cable up just a little bit and recheck our measurement. And we'll repeat this step as many times as we need to. Now that we have the correct cable end length, we'll go ahead and tighten down this jam nut on our cable adjuster. The next step is to make the adjustment on this bolt. To do that, we'll loosen the jam nut, and then we're going to turn this bolt until we feel some resistance. Once you hit that point, you'll back it off 1/8 of a turn and tighten the jam nut. We'll rotate the wheels, make sure that the brakes aren't dragging, and at this point we can now lower the machine onto the ground. We'll flip our parking brake on and make sure that everything is working correctly. And that's all there is to this parking brake adjustment on your Yamaha Sport ATV. It's really quick and simple to do. And if you need any parts for your machine, be sure to check out our website. We have a lot of different options on there. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.